Speak with confidence, learn something new every day, and watch yourself grow.
Slow English is strong English.
Slow English is strong English. I like that line.
Say it with me. Slow English is strong English.
Slow English is strong English.
Very good. Second mistake, using very big or difficult words to impress.
Yes, sometimes people say complicated words.
And sometimes they say the word wrong.
That becomes embarrassing.
Yes, simple words are better. Instead of saying, I possess excellent communication proficiency, just say, I have good communication skills.
That sounds much clearer.
Try saying it.
I have good communication skills.
Perfect. Simple and clear. Third mistake, saying negative sentences.
Like what?
Saying, my English is very weak.
I have said that before.
Instead, say, I am improving my English every day.
Oh, that sounds positive.
Say it with confidence.
I am improving my English every day.
Excellent. Another common mistake is translating directly from Hindi.
Yes, sometimes I think in Hindi and speak in English.
That is natural, but direct translation can sound strange.
Can you give an example?
Some people say, myself Jack.
Oh, yes, I've heard that.
The correct way is, my name is Jack, or I am Jack.
Let me say it. I am Jack. My name is Jack.
Very good. Never say, myself Jack.
Noted. I will remember that.
Another mistake is giving very long answers.
I think I do that sometimes.
In interviews, short and clear answers are better.
So, not too much talking.
Yes, answer the question, then stop.
That is hard sometimes.
Practice helps. Let's try a small example. Why should we hire you?
I am hardworking, positive, and ready to learn. I will give my best to this company.
That's perfect. Short and strong.
I did not add extra lines.
Exactly. One more mistake. Saying only too much.
Oh, yes, like I am from Delhi only.
Yes. In English, we usually say, I am from Delhi.
I am from Delhi.
Good. Keep it simple.
What about confidence? Many people look down while speaking.
That is another mistake. Eye contact is important. Smile. Sit straight.
Body language also matters.
Very much. Even if your English is simple, confidence makes it powerful.
Sometimes I say actually many times.
That is common. Words like actually, basically, only are used too much.
So I should avoid repeating them.
Yes, speak clean sentences. Pause instead of filling with extra words.
Pause instead of extra words. That is good advice.
Let's do a small practice. Introduce yourself without speaking too fast and without big words.
I am Jack Sharma. I completed my graduation in marketing. I have good communication skills and I enjoy working in a team. I am eager to learn and grow.
That was very nice, clear and calm.
I tried to speak slowly.
And it worked.
I think many Indians feel shy because of grammar mistakes.
Grammar is important, but confidence is more important in speaking.
So small mistakes are okay?
Yes, if your message is clear, it is fine.
That makes me feel relaxed.
Good. Let's quickly recap the common mistakes.
Okay.
First, speaking too fast.
Speak slowly.
Second, using very big words.
Use simple words.
Third, speaking negatively.
Speak positively.
Fourth, direct translation, like myself Jack.
Say, I am Jack.
Fifth, very long answers.
Keep answers short and clear.
Excellent recap.
I feel more aware now. I know what to avoid.
That is the first step. Awareness brings improvement.
I will practice slow and simple English from today.
That sounds great. Remember, interviews test your clarity, not your accent.
Clarity, not accent. I like that line.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking. You are improving step by step.
Thank you, Eva. This conversation really helped me.
I'm glad to hear that, Jack.
See you in the next lesson.
See you next time. Speak clearly, stay confident, and believe in yourself.